Everyone, I want to talk about this VEVOR fishing net. This was sent to me to check out. Wanted to thank VEVOR for sending it to me, but this is really cool. My favorite thing is it collapses and fits into this bag right here. And I'll put that in later. This bag has a nice carry handle. Basically, you just take it out and I'm gonna open it up. So basically you open it up like this. Make sure your net is kind of up here and the net just expands out nice and easy. Like that, and then it clips into place. You can see here that it clips into place right there. So this is how you fold it up, and then it just clips like that. Then you can bring your pole down, and just to show you, it does have a nice ruler here if you want to measure that big fish that you land. But that pole slides down, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So this is a nice big silicone net for landing fish. The silicone is going to protect your fish, also make it easier to get your hooks out and your lures out as well. But that has a nice big capacity, nice deep basket. And you also have a telescopic pole, so you can slide that out and then tighten it up, and you're pretty much good to go. This is nice lightweight aluminum alloy, so it's strong but also very easy to use. And again, the thing I love about it is you can store it easily. Just going to loosen that up, push that in. I'm going to push this pole up to the top, so I loosen that up. And it kind of slides up there. You pull this clip down and then it folds. And there you go. You have a nice collapsed fishing net, and it has this nice carrying case, which keeps it nice and clean in case your net's wet or muddy. So you can store that in your garage or your car or your truck. So it collapses nicely into this bag. Tighten that up and you have your handle. So very slick fishing net, telescopic, great for your fishing needs. I hope this video is helpful, and happy fishing. Thanks for watching.